Hi, this is Aaron at Classic Vacuum in North Canton and Worcester and at ClassicVac.com with a quick side-by-side comparison. We have two new machines from HIZERO, F300, F600. The first difference you'll see, this is big brother, this is baby brother. It's not only is it not as deep, it's not as wide. So you will have more cleaning time, better for smaller spaces, people on a budget. So this will cover more area. Another obvious or quick thing to notice is headlight on the front of this, no headlight on the F300. Both machines have the combined tank system, which is new. The tanks, however, one being on the back, one being on the front, you have a larger water capacity with the bigger machine. The bigger machine is probably going to put more water down as well because it's a wider area of cleaning. So it's not going to be a direct ratio of tank size to water, how long the water lasts, because this is probably going to have a higher rate of water flow. And they both have a tab and a quick disconnect. So if you need to take tanks apart for cleaning or easy access, both will do that. Both have the flap for filling the machine under the sink. Both have handle controls. Both have similar functions. Has two buttons on the handle. Both have buttons on the handle, power button, and then your high-low mode button here on the bottom, as well as some indication on the handle. This one has a bigger battery. This one has a stronger brush motor. It spins a little faster for a little bit faster cleaning or more aggressive cleaning. This one, the charging connection's in the bottom, and you plug in the base. The base has these metal prongs, so you fit the machine on and it's charging. This one, you plug it in right here in the back. So that's pretty much the differences. What's the same? Both have the self-cleaning function. You can just run it on the base tray to clean it. Both come with the same cleaning tools. Both have very similar designs here, the way the front opens up. Both have basically the same tray. Just design is width different. Other than that, they're the same basic tray. Same roller design on the roller, same brush design, just different lengths. As far as the maintenance goes, they have the same number of wheels on the bottom. They have the same system of a filter on the side, filter on the other side. Those need rinsed out. Access cover can be removed. Same thing on the other one. Filter on the side. Other filter screen on the other side. Access cover easily removed. That was a quick overview between the two, a little quick comparison. I will say this is the weight. Definitely this one is lighter, but it's also smaller. That's for carrying up and down stairs. As far as handle weight and pushing, I think what you're going to find is they feel pretty much the same in my hand. Again, this is a little lighter. This one should pull more because it has the faster motor and more surface area in contact with the floor. So this one should drive forward a little better, but may require a little more effort on the pullback. I have an old HIZERO that's working great, but I know I have a cordless product with a headlight, and that's kind of a game changer. What's the big deal? I don't vacuum in the dark, is what I often hear customers say. But what happens is I go and I have a dirty spot on my floor. There's some pet hair, kids made a mess. I get out my cordless product, I go to sweep that area. When the light comes on, then all that dirt is illuminated in dust. And now I see, oh, not just that spot, but the whole entire floor is messed up. So I end up cleaning more than I originally intended to. End result is my floors are cleaner. I did have to do more work. So that's what this is going to do. So if ignorance is bliss, no headlight. But if you really want to illuminate the dirt so you can see what you're missing, the headlight is a big deal. I haven't tested this headlight. I'm going off of my other cordless product here. But when we do test, I'll see how this headlight works. But I have a feeling it's going to show you a lot. Things you want to see and things you might not want to see. I know, like, I have cats, especially with like cats. Sometimes they get sick on the floor and it dries, and you can kind of see it, but you kind of can't. So if you're a cat owner, this is probably the one for me. I'm gonna milk my F801 HIZERO old machine for everything it's worth. So it's been in a tank, and these are just a redesign and stuff they've learned since they made mine. So I really think these both are going to be a good product. It's just which one's right for you. Any questions, comments, leave them down below. Also, you can email us. We'll get both these up on our website, and we'll be hopefully making more videos in the future. Classic Vacuum, North Canton and Worcester, and classicvac.com. Thanks for watching.